Right from the beginning, let's take a look at what we got here. We've got, looks like I'm not sure, maybe some temperature sensor or something. Documentation, factory test report. Some mount. This is the top to some mount. And we got the dry contact wire. Key. Oh, this is a lockbox. Something heavy. Magnet. Probably prevent interference. Some bolts. We got, what is this here? It's a data cable. Data cable. And what is this? A Wi-Fi network communication.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
transmitter with some screws for it. Great. So
Good stuff.
that's that. All right. Let's reveal the real deal here. Oh, it's a larger footprint. Can it fit in our housing here?
It can, I think.
Yeah.
Just
So here's the other one. It's about 20, I think it was 21 inches. No, that looks like, what is that, 27 inches? And then this is 3 feet. So we can, here's my hand. My hand is 9 inches. So we can guesstimate that. 9 times 1, 2, 3 and a half. 3.75 hands. My hands. Let's see what we can find out. So we're gonna have to.
So I think let's keep it. Move this first.
Yeah.
But you want to make sure it fits.
Want to see where the wires connect and make sure
Oh,
that
here.
you see them at the bottom.
PV belt. Yeah. You can.
Yeah, here we go. They're at the bottom. Oh, and they go up through. Okay. These are just. So they go up. They actually connect under here, but they go up through here to connect inside here.
Then open this one.
Yeah. There's a key, I think. Here, there's a latch right here on the side. Can you guys see that? There's a latch right here. Oh, you need a key to get in. I need a key. Where's the key? Oh, there it is. It's unlocked. Or we can put the box on the floor
It's not
now.
that heavy, bro. It's not that heavy.
It's not that heavy?
No.
We can put the box on the floor and then lift it up onto
Okay.
the table. I was gonna kick the box. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now we can toss the box.
Oh, you're gonna use it to put this here.
Yeah. Yes. All right. All right. So behind this plate is where we install the cables. So battery positive, battery negative.
Behind them? Not from the bottom?
Behind this plate.
Oh, they go through?
Through and then behind the plate.
Okay.
And this is what I wanted to check because we may not be able to do anything if we don't have enough length of wire to go through. So this is what I wanted to check. Standard, so pass me the drill with a Phillips. And Phillips might already be on it. And then, So it looks like the same size cable, so as long as we can go up and under, we should be good there. This is a reset button. Okay.
There's a switch here.
Switch. Okay. On. Off. On. Off. Okay. And we got the grid is right here. A generator input is here. Line 1, line 2. Then we got a ground lug, a ground terminal. We got PV1 positive negative, PV2 positive negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang on a second. PV1-1 negative, PV1-1 positive, PV1-2 negative, PV1-2 positive. All right, so take a look at this, guys, because all right, so it looks like you get 3 strings. Of 3 strings. Is that 6 strings? And then so you can take 1, 2, 3. There's 3. Okay, so there must be 3 different MPPT controllers, charge controllers, in this unit. All right, and here's the generator, line 1, line 2, grid, line 1, line 2, neutral, and backup, line 1, line 2. Not sure what this pole is for, but we got a ground bar on the bottom, the very bottom. And then we got our battery, positive and negative here on the left side. And that's everything that we got over there in my rat's nest. And so let's take off that old one. Let's remove that HVAC stuff. Do we have fans
They don't.
on the new one?
No.
No fans on the new one.
It's here,
That's
the
interesting. It's a sink right there. This is going to be interesting because it'd be nice. See how I routed my exhaust to go out of the cabinet. That I don't have that on this one, so I'm gonna have to do some temperature monitoring and stuff like that. All right, let's speed up the video again and get you guys get this old one off and put the new one on. So looks like there's a couple inches that the inverter sits above. It's very tiny, but above the top of the mount. So we'll drop the mount down a little bit, and then we'll have enough space to at the top to include our ventilation for later. I'm gonna probably smush some HVAC tubing on the back,
Okay.
and then
Okay, yeah. Makes sense.
yeah. Great. Now let's wire this thing up. We don't need to call the city and tell them because I already have an agreement. The sun is going down. I can feel it. All right. So what we're working on now is bonding the neutral to this bus bar here, and that's the neutral for the house. Bonding it right here for the backup for the house. So we take this green wire and we're going to feed it up through here. Just seeing that I may not have enough. Oh, okay, yeah, I got it. It says that it can go, the PEs can go in either hole, the front one or the back one. That's what it's saying. But it's showing here, it's showing that both of them are going through the back. So I'm going to go through the back with one. Nope, still too big. There you have it. We're hooked up. We got our house backup here, house neutral there, and then for the grid we got line 1 neutral, line 2, no generator at this point, PV 1, and then the MPPT controller. And then we got the DC over here. And that is it. We're set up, and we'll throw this on. All right, we're over at the array checking the voltage. Let's go here. Positive, negative. Right now we got 79, so which is not enough. And then it's on and off because of the shade, which means that it's safe for me to go and flip the switch on the other side. So let me flip the switch and check the DC on the other side. All right, we're going to check the voltage, the DC voltage, all the way back at the house. Make sure we got the same. I don't know how I'm gonna check that. Yeah, I can't actually. I'm not sure. Wrong side. Come on, don't scare me like that. The puppies scaring me. Oh, not long enough. All right, and we are not gonna be able to check that unless I turn this on. Let me turn on something. Hang on a second. I changed my mind. I'm not gonna turn on anything. I'm gonna put the cover on for tonight, and then turn on the grid so we can get the heater going because it's chilly out here. All right, meet you on the inside. All right, running out of light here, but powering on the PV switch. Start up and shut down procedure. PV switch on. Then we are powering on the DC breaker at the battery side. DC breaker at the battery side. All right. Then we're going to power on the AC breaker at the grid side, but the grid is not on, so let me turn on the grid. Turn on the grid. Turning on the grid. Turning on the power in the house. Okay, turning on the power. All right, the grid is on. All right, next step. Let's see if we got any readings here. Grid is off on this. Turn power on the AC breaker at the grid side. AC breaker at the grid side. Going on. And we are on. Let's see if we sensing anything. I don't know, I see 50%, 122 volts, 120 volts, line 2, something about, oh man, so many things, house 0. Oh, it's scrolling through, so let's go, wait till it goes back to grid. Grid is 122 volts, line 1, 122 volts, line 2. Okay. All right, we got grid. All right, and then connect the cell phone app via Bluetooth and click the power on in the app for the first time. Backup voltage is, I don't know, 120 seconds to do something. Not sure what I got 120 seconds for. Okay, get out of here. Nope. We got battery connected, we got grid connected, and we got backup temporarily. It's connected, but temporarily not really doing anything at the moment. And that is okay. It says off in the center. So I'm going to read some more and get the, oh, can you guys see that? Wow, all this time you couldn't see? Okay, we're up and running. We've got PV, it's the top light. The second light down is battery. The third light from the top is grid. And the fourth light is backup. And then we have no comms right now. And then we have an alarm. And so right now we got 50% state of charge for the batteries. And so it's actually saying off. So what it seems like I need to do is, for the first time, I need to use the app like the manual says. And so I'll do that and I'll get back to you guys.